Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna go over the two trades that I took today. So for NQ on the daily chart, we had this order block right here that I was digging into, and it was literally at the mean threshold of it, and then it rejected it, right? On the 5 minute, you can see this is the mean threshold line right here. It was wicking, it never closed below it. On the 1 minute, you can see it took liquidity here one time, twice, and then a third time, and then price market structure shifted. And then this was basically like a footprint in the algorithm, you can say, where it broke structure, it left a breaker block and a fair value gap. To me, that's a unicorn. I think that's what ICT calls it, a breaker block and a fair value gap aligned as a unicorn. As you can see, the breaker block, price never closed below the breaker block, and once price broke above the breaker block, it just skyrocketed. And then unfortunately, once price broke above this high, I just I moved my stop to break even because I didn't want to hold any longer. And then yeah, I just got stopped at break even by like a tick, unfortunate. And then for EU, on the 4 hour, it had this Sibi right here, and then also on the 5 minute it took buy side right here, and then it tapped into this buy side right here as well. And on the 1 minute, the price market structure shifted right here, and I really should have just gotten in right here, but I was too busy in NQ at this time, so I didn't get in right there. And then once price market structure shifted again, I got in right here. Because I just wanted to ride the wave, and then I put my stop above here, and unfortunately I got stopped right there. I was aiming for this low, and also because EU hadn't grabbed this low right here, this sell side right here, so I thought I was gonna grab that low as well. So, but it didn't end up happening. Either way, I'm still bearish on EU. I still think it's gonna take out sell side right here. So, but yeah, those are the two trades that I took today. Unfortunately, I got stopped on NAS. I would still be in this, but I'm not sure about all this chop. But yeah, my drawn liquidity was like these highs right here and Asia highs over here. So yeah, those are the two trades that I took today. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's live stream if you were in it. I hope you enjoyed something out of this video. Hope you learned something out of it. If there's something to take with you out of this video, is take a look at this pattern right here. This pattern is beautiful. This pattern is very important. Took sell side, break structure. This is a breaker block and two fair value gaps in it. Usually with these type of trades, they usually play out, and as you can see, it did play out, but unfortunately, and you could have your stop loss below the breaker. You could have put it like right here, and then you probably would have gotten a nice 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, whatever. But me personally, I wouldn't do that because it's just safer to have a stop loss below the candle that created the fair value gap. Because as you can see, there's also a fair value gap right here. It's just very tiny, so you don't want to risk that. But yeah, those are the two trades that I took today. So hope you enjoyed something out of this video. Hope you learned something out of it. If not, it doesn't matter. So peace.